In Cami, you can make a screen capture. To do this, you go to comment, and then you can choose from your different options: text comment, voice comment, video comment, or screen capture. Click on screen capture, and then you can choose one of these colored dots to mark your area. You can click anywhere on the screen to begin your screen capture. The dot just shows the location of where you're going to be talking about. So in this screen capture, I'm going to talk about this story. So I'm going to click anywhere here. It's going to pop up and it's going to say, what do you want to do? Click on entire screen. That's what you want to have. Yours will have entire screen. Click on it and say share. And now that I've done that, you can see that it is now recording. See right up here, it says done. Right here, it's showing what I'm going to do. And so, what I can do now is I can talk about this. I can tell you all about this story. I can even actively go in and begin drawing on it, and it'll show what I'm doing. So, if I wanted to underline this right here, it would go ahead and do that. And if you look over here at the little preview, you can actually see that green line right there where it's actually going ahead and uh, underlining as I'm going along. Here, I'll make it bigger so you can really see what it's doing there. Now you can see that green line appearing over there live because it's recording everything I say. And then when I click done, it is saved right here. There it is. And when my teacher comes in later, they can just click play and the video plays through. They can hear everything I said. They can see everything I'm doing. They can blow it up to full screen. They can do whatever they need to in order to watch this video and see my screen capture. So that is how you make a screen capture in Cami.